How to use this is,
that is.
When we want to talk about one thing close to us, we say, this is. This is a teddy bear. When the thing is far away from us, we use that is. That is a teddy bear.
What is it?
This is a teddy bear.
What is that?
That is a teddy bear.
What is it?
This is a toy train.
What is that?
That is a toy train.
What is it?
This is a bird.
What is that?
That is a bird.
What is it?
This is a toy duck.
What is that?
That is a duck.
What is it?
This is a balloon.
What is that?
That is a balloon.
This is? That is?
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to support our creations. Give us a thumbs up and share. Thank you. See you.